Why Nikola went down on Friday after 4 days of pump? If you watch our update that we did in our Power Hour last Friday, you know the reason why. Because we discussed before in our Discord, we discussed resistant. We said the breakout and resistant is around the $1.74. So this is normal that we get rejected. And before that, we did the price reversal around the 22nd of September over the $1.16. So we have an entry around $1.16 and we have exit point that we did around the 28th of September around the $1.74. So you see here what's happening. So we saw that coming because this is a major resistance where the hidden seller actually put in their position for Nikola. That's why the price going down. So in today's video, we're going to discuss the price action for the next week for Nikola and where the price will go. Are we going to have an entry here? Is that too late for you guys to enter? Because the better entry was, of course, over our support that we discussed in our Power Hour trading session on Friday. And of course, short analysis update if we have a breakout or major resistance. We always do after we finish our live streaming each day. That's why we did the short analysis for our hunter on Discord. And we warned our hunter around this resistance around the $1.74. So in the time being, on Monday, what we should expect? First, we have to watch out for this support that we should hold for Nikola over the $1.34. So we don't want to go back to the bottom price here around the $1.16 and the $1. This would be a major weakness. And if we went there, we're going to have a bit of accumulation before retest the $1.74. So it's not game over if we broke the $1.34 and we go there. It's not game over. However, if we want to confirm a faster squeeze and even a squeeze for the next week, even if Monday we went back toward the $1.34, don't panic, this is normal. Then if we held and we broke the $1.74 this time, this will be a game on for Nikola, because when the price get rejected the first time, the second time, the short seller added before the $1.74, and that's why the price went down and short seller won the game just on Friday. So watch out for this reaction on Monday, which is holding over the $1.34 and breaking the $1.74. Guess what? Look at this. We have 76 million worth of volume. Average volume is 100 million. For my opinion, for the next week, if we have a breakout from this level, we might have over the 100 million worth of volume for Nikola price action. And we see a huge FOMO price for Nikola when we hit, of course, the $2. So this is the psychological level, the first one. The first one we discuss the $1, of course. Now we have the psychological level, the second one, which is profit taking, the $2 mark for Nikola for the next week after we break the $1.74. And this will give us at least 14% jump. And the other profit taking that we wait for Nikola to hit for the next week, in the beginning of the next week, if we have a really nice volume and nice pump from this resistance, is the $2.41 for Nikola. So we have two profit taking, and we might have at least 40% for Nikola, at least in the beginning of the next week, if we hold over the $1.34 and we broke the $1.74. So watch out for those two supports. My advice, guys, you have to put alert around the $1.34 just to warn you if we have a weakness. And of course, another alert around the $1.75 to be exact, to warn us about a breakout and game on for Nikola to squeeze for the next week. Let me know what you think. Are we going to have the $2 next week or not in comment section below? And of course, we're going to do live streaming, especially for Nikola, for tomorrow trading session on our YouTube channel around 3 p.m. CET. And before that, if you want to prepare with us before the market open for price action, for support and resistance, because the live streaming is a bit delayed, guys, almost 10 seconds. So if you want a precise entry for mini stocks, Nikola, AMC, and other unicorn stock, you can actually head to our Patreon and you can join us there. And once you join on our Patreon, you can have access to our Discord, to our community hunters, where you could have access to those short analysis updates that we do each day after we finish our live streaming for Nikola, for minute stocks, live W, AVTX, not just Nikola. And of course, King Elite Swing Trade. We do mini swing trade here and elite requests. If you are an elite and you pick the elite level, you can actually request stocks after we finish our live streaming. This is just available to the elite hunters. So thank you for watching and see you in the next update.